Hey self-learner, don't worry man, if you don't know the answers for my above questions, you are at right place. Yes, here you will learn about all the concepts that are related to electronics and communication engineering. In analog electronics, you are going to learn about starting from a basic diode circuits to the advanced circuits like differential operational amplifier circuitry. In digital electronics, you will going to learn about a lot of concepts starting from basic logic gates to the advanced processor design, covering a lot of other concepts such as combinational, sequential, circuitry, finite state machine, timing analysis in sequential circuits, and advanced processor design techniques. Control systems, you are going to learn about a lot of things starting from a basic block diagram reduction methods, signal flow graphs, and also transfer functions to advanced concepts such as state space analysis. You're also going to learn about signals. Yes, my dear friend, yes, my dear self-learner, you're going to learn about signals starting from a basic signal types to the basic signal systems types to the advanced signals concepts such as digital signal processing, filter design, and a fast Fourier transform, discrete Fourier transform, a lot more. In electromagnetics subject, you're going to learn about a lot of things starting from basic Maxwell's equation to antenna design. In network theory is very important subject in order to get grasp and command over another subjects like analog electronics. You should be aware of all the concepts that are related to network theory. So in networks we are going to learn about basic circuit elements to the advanced concepts such as transient analysis, steady state analysis, two-port networks, a lot more concepts that are used in op-amp analysis such as virtual ground, virtual short. In electronic devices and theory is very important when you are preparing for any competitive exam. Okay, so in electronic device and circuits, we are going to learn about basic semiconductor physics to the advanced material and compound semiconductor materials, devices such as solar cells, LEDs, LCR, a lot of new devices and compound semiconductor materials. And in communication systems is very important for electronics and communication engineering. In communication systems, we are going to see a basic we are going to start from a modulation techniques to the advanced concepts like noise analysis, random variables. And in both analog and digital communication, we are going to do a noise analysis.